everyone. I'm vlogging again, and there's lightning in Mexico. I mean, not not surprised because lightning's everywhere. So, but there's a lot of lightning, and scientists say lightning only strikes once, but nope, not here. It strikes more than once. It strikes twice, at the same place, and over there is where the lightning happens. Probably stand back because it's pretty active, and and I have a metal in my chest, so that's not gonna work either. So like we do have like a lightning here. It's raining like it rains at Hawaii. If you don't know what it rains like there, it's basically it rains when it's super humid or sunny and stuff like that. So, I hope no one got electrocuted or shocked to death or lightning struck them. But, my prayers. Don't know if you saw that. Watch. Here. See if you can see it. If you can see what I can see. Happens eventually every other minute. Like every second of a minute it happens. So hopefully you see what I'm seeing. Hopefully. There's a lot of thunder out here too, so that's amazing also. Well, hope you saw the last one. Yeah. Well, see you later.